नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहिए। माई सेल्फ JVN मिस्टर कन्हैयालाल नागर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर एंड वेटनरी साइंस एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Students, I will prepare this lecture class for BSc Agriculture Honors 6M. My subject post harvest management and value addition of fruit and vegetables. Student, we will discuss about maturity, ripening and change occurring during ripening. There are maturity, there are discussed. It is the it is the stage of full development of tissue of fruit and vegetables. Only after which will ripening normally. Means जो फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल की जो टिश्यू होती है एक फुल स्टेज में अच्छे से ये डेवलपमेंट फॉर्म में चेंज हो जाती है, जो एक मैच्योरिटी स्टेज फॉर्म मानी जाती है. During the process of maturity of fruit receive a regular supply of food materials from the plants. When mature, the abscission of corky layer which form at the stem and stop this inflow. Afterward, the fruits depend on its own reserve carbohydrates are dehydrated and sugar accumulate until the sugar acid ratio fall. In addition to these typical flavors and characteristics colors and develop, it has been determined that the stage of maturity at the time of picking influence the storage life and quality of fruits. When picked immature, like mango, develop white patch or air pocket during ripening and lacking in normal Brix acid ratio or sugar acid ratio. Taste and flavor, on other hand, if the fruit are harvested or mature or full ripe, they are easy susceptible to microbial and physiological spoilage, and their storage life is considerable reduced. Such fruit persist numerous problems during handling, storage, and transportation. Therefore, it is necessary or essential to pick up of fruit or vegetables at correct stage of maturity to facilitate proper ripening, distance transportation, and maximum storage lives. And the second definition, fruit ripening. There are fruit ripening defined. The fruit ripening is a genetically programmed stage of development overlapping with senescence. जो सेनेसेंस से भी जो स्टेज चलती है फ्रूट राइपनिंग की, उस प्रोसेस को हम एक राइपनिंग प्रोसेस के फॉर्म में माना जाता है, जो फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल के अंदर रहती है. द फ्रूट इज सेड टू बी राइप व्हेन द अटेंड its full flavor and aroma and other characteristics to the best fruit of that particular cultivar. The word mature and ripe are essential synonyms when used to describe this fruit that ripe on plant known as non-climate. And however, in cases of climatic fruit and a mature fruit require period before attending in described stage of edibility. There are discussed climatic and non-climatic fruits. Which climatic fruits? Apple, apricot, avocado, banana, berry, cherry mocha, fig, guava, kiwi fruit, mango, melons, pear, peach, plum, persimmon, papaya or tomato, sapot or passion fruits. These are climatic fruits. And non-climatic fruits are described. There are list carambola, cherries, citrus, grapes, lychee, loquat, olive, pineapple, pomegranate, or strawberry, etc. And there are discussed second change during the fruit ripening. First, there are discussed cell wall change. Cell wall consists of pectin substance and cellulose as the main components, along with small amounts of hemicellulose and non-cellulosic polysaccharides. In cell wall, the change, particularly in middle lamella, which is rich in pectin polysaccharides, are degraded and solubilized during ripening. During this softening, there is a losses neutral sugars, that is galactose and arabinose, major components of neutral proteins, and acidic pectins means remnogalactonuron of all cell wall. The major enzymes implicated in softening of fruits are pectin, esterase, polygalactoronase, cellulase, and B galactonosides. Starch, second point, are discussed. During fruit ripening, sugar level within the fruit tend to increase due to either increased sugar important from the plant or to the mobilization of sugar reserve within fruits, depending on the fruit type and the whether it is ripened on the fruit of the plant. With the advancement of maturity, the accumulated starch is hydrolyzed into sugars, that is glucose, fructose, and sucrose sugars, which are known as a characteristic event of fruit ripenings. That is, there are further breakdown of sucrose into glucose, and fructose is probably mediated by the action of invertage. In vegetables like potato and peas, on other hand, the high sucrose content which remain high the press immature stage convert into starch with a approach of maturity. Organic acids, which is third point, are discussed. With the onset of fruit ripening, there is a downward trend in level of organic acids. The decline in content of organic acid during the fruit ripening might be result in increasing the membrane permeability, which allow acid to be storage in respiring cells. Formation of salt of malic acid, reduction in the amount of acid. Translocated from the leaves. There are fourth discussed colors. With the approach of maturation, the most obvious change in take place is the degradation of chlorophylls and is accompanied by the synthesis of other pigments, usually either anthocyanins or carotenoids. They can give rise to a wide range of colors from red to blue. The chloroplast in green immature fruit generally lose chlorophyll or ripening and change into chromoplasts, and which contain the carotenoid pigments. Carotenoids are normally synthesized in green plant tissue, and major product begin the 3 carotenes. However, in many fruits, additional carotene and lycopene is synthesized during ripening process. There are fifth point, flavoring compounds are major compounds all discussed. Although fruit flavor depend on the complex interaction of sugar, organic acid, phenolics, and volatile compounds, but the characteristic flavors of individual fruit of or vegetables is derived from the production of specific flavoring volatile. These compounds are mainly ester, alcohol, aldehydes, acids, and ketones. At least 230 and 330 different compounds in apple and orange fruits have been indicated respectively. 6 ascorbic acids are discussed. The L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C, is a natural occurring ascorbic acid in fruits. A reduced amount of ascorbic acid is noticed in palm, stones, and berry fruits at time of harvest. Increase in ascorbic acid content with the increase of fruit growth having and the levels decline with a advancement of maturity and onset of fruit ripening in, that is, pear, sweet potato, asparagus, and okra during the course of post harvest handling. 7 पॉइंट के अंदर हम डिस्कस करते हैं फिनोलिक्स. The phenolics content of most fruit declines from high level during early growth to low level when the fruits is considered to be physiological mature and thereafter susceptible to the induction of ripening. And at जो लास्ट पॉइंट है एमिनो एसिड्स एंड प्रोटीन्स, जिसका हम डिस्कस करते हैं कि decrease in free amino acids which often reflect in increase in protein synthesis during senescence, and the level of free amino acids increase reflecting a breakdown enzyme and decrease metabolic activity. Thank you.